by Wunderhorse is played tuned to E flat standard tuning, so every string is just dropped down in tuning by a half step. We're going to be learning this song in standard tuning, so you don't have to retune to learn it, but if you do want to jam along, you will have to detune by half a step. For the first chord in the song, we're going to play an A sus2 chord. We're actually going to play with the third and fourth fingers because of the way we move up to the next chord shape in the song. So we've got the open A string, we've got a third finger, second fret of the D, pinky finger, second fret of the G, the B and high E strings open, and we don't want to hear the low E string at all. Whilst you're playing the A sus2 chord, it's a good idea to hook the thumb over the top to mute the low E string there. And you don't have to be quite so accurate with the strumming. We're going to strum down twice, and then as we're transitioning to the next chord shape, we're going to play 4 muted strums. So all we're doing there is resting the fingers on the left hand on the guitar, not applying any pressure, and strumming as normal. So 2 normal hits on the A sus2, 4 muted hits, taking us up to our next chord, which is based around a C sharp power chord, but we still have the high E and B strings ringing out. So we still have the third and fourth fingers and the same kind of position on the guitar on the D and G strings, but this time at the 6th fret. And we're just going to add our first finger to the 4th fret of the A string there, and we're going to strum this down twice as well. And then we'll have 2 muted hits to finish the riff off. So nice and slowly we have this. And more up to speed.